Good morning, y'all. Having a little coffee and happy Mother's Day to all the mommies out there. I know it'll be after Mother's Day when y'all see this, but I hope y'all had a good one. So yesterday was a busy, hot day. Oh, my brother got the gems. All right, I'm gonna come back after so I don't get copyright. My, this hair of mine. So, let me tell you, this was my first time wearing my natural hair to the beach. Well, really in any hot weather, period. Even when I'm home and it's hot, I typically will have some type of braided style, twisted, natural style, something to keep my hair out of the heat and humidity. This time, I decided to go with a silk press because I wanted to wear my hair out. You know what I mean? I got these lovely hair tresses and I just wanted them to flow. But I woke up, my scarf had came off, all my beautiful curls from my silk press were just gone and flat. So you know I love my wand curler. I'm glad I brought it with me because I sure forgot my flat iron. So here I am, wand curling my hair, whatever, to get it nice and cute for the day. Y'all meet my brother Bird Yin. Hi Yin, don't be afraid. Hi. You out here chilling? Huh? You so cute. Ooh. I have to show you to your cousins, my daughters. You're so pretty, pretty bird. All right. See you later. Hey y'all, so I just got this breakfast burrito. What's that place called?
Shoot, I should know that. It's one of my favorites. Let me tell you that in 30 seconds. The name of one of my favorite local joints is Cachito Coffee.
Cachito Coffee and Bakery. Y'all see that? Keisha got the empanada. So fire. I got spinach and cheese, a beef and olive, and then I got I think that was it. But they were so good. So yeah, she let me taste it. The pastry was mad flaky. Or the empanada dough. So I got the breakfast burrito. Oh, this is a heavy mama. It got bacon, egg, cheese, and potato. And it looks so yummy. It's good though. All the ingredients is mad fresh. So
It's my first time moving out the house.
right here. Where you going, bro? It's the drive-through. Listen.
That's the bank.
Oh, I got it on that side.
Don't do that.
You good.
We done found the only drive-through in Miami of Starbucks.
Look what I done did for us.
Yes, to get that summer tip and that tip. Yes, girl. Look, be yourself. Everyone else is taken. Period. Look at this, friend. We gotta take a picture right here. We is up in here. Oh, friend, this is where they had the mermaid brunch. Yes. Oh wait, no. I think we do. Oh yeah, y'all. We got our little summer berry drink to add. We gotta add the Casamigos. Or do we go this way? Be on the beach. I don't know. Maybe we can see better up here. Oh, maybe we could go. Maybe we can get out through this way. Yeah. Yes, baby. Yes. Be on the beach. See on the beach. Looking at the pool make me feel bad that my kids ain't here.
I know, mommy do these. We miss them.
Oh well. Such a beautiful warm day. I just saw somebody walking with a tablet. Oh, I can't wait. Now, is there jet skis around here somewhere?
No.
Or is all the way down?
Because of the air shows,
Oh.
actually are prohibited to have
Okay.
any like motorized watercraft.
Okay.
20 miles out.
Okay. All right, got it. Baby, it's hard walking in the sand, okay? Look at the view. Listen, this is the best Mother's Day. Best Mother's Day ever. Hey,
Let's go.
Freedom. Freedom.
here is our view. What? Y'all like our cup tumbler? Best mom ever from Emmy. This thing is on hell. I can't move fast enough. Give me the seaweed, please. Oh. What? This is my first time wearing my own hair out to the beach. Like, this was very daring. I can't wait to see what it looks like when I go home. I feel like this is for rich people activities. Balling on the budget. Hello, period. We at the B Ocean. This beach bed was only $203. That's right, $203 for the day. Now we're supposed to have somebody, some kind of server. I've been seeing her running around serving everybody but us. So she ain't even asked if we wanted something, even though we don't want nothing. But still, come ask me. Okay. Hopefully she around for if and when we do want something, which I'm gonna need some ice for this water in a minute. But nevertheless, because we brought our own little drinky drink. For now, anyway. And this cup is definitely keeping it cold. But listen, this is the best Mother's Day ever. Hey. Okay. Let's go over here with them shots. sunset. Sun feels amazing. Friend already over there laying down. Okay. So listen, y'all, let me tell you. This tumbler cup really worked. It's been at least an hour and a half, maybe even 2 hours since I put this ice water in here. Baby, look how cold the straw is. It's still cold. And it's still ice. And even a little hole is open. Yes, honey. This was great. It's a great thing to bring. And I see that Target got some tumblers, some margarita glass tumblers for like $30. $14.99 on Amazon. Don't sleep. I wish they came in other colors, but still cute. Did I come and me one go on the road again?
Push, not pull.
Right, clearly. See, this is where I. So maybe you could park here, or unless somebody specifically park a spot. Here we go again.
You have me, friend?
Huh?
I was gonna get this car. I should have got it.
Yeah, that's the rental. We about to go. Where we going, bro? Do you got your thing? You got your keys? Your car keys? Cause remember you gotta get your thing.
When we come back. Oh yeah, the placard.
Yeah, well, let me see real quick. Oh, let me not say it on camera.
They got some baracas.
Yeah.
What? What's that?
The tacos I've been trying to get for like 5 days.
Oh, that. My brother, a papi. Hey, papi.
Hey, papi. Papi Chulo. Let me play in your hair. Let me play in your hair, papi.
You braided too? You gonna pay it? It's braided.
I ain't not
It
gonna
feels
go
so
tomorrow,
good
braid my hair.
outside.
Let's go. Freedom. Freedom.
Clearly, I warmed out my welcome. It's time to go home. I mean, thanks for the idea. That's a great idea. Oh, look at this little cute mini one. Oh, y'all, look at this one. And they got the pink spoon. It's corny. You would like the boobies. Oh, look how cute that is. All right, y'all. I think I'm about to get one of these bags.